In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and add voiceovers in Canva. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your voice and attach it neatly to your design or video inside Canva. First, open the Canva project where you want to add your voiceover. This could be a presentation, a video, a social media post with animation, or any other design that supports audio. Make sure you're in the main editor view, where you can see your canvas in the center and the toolbar on the left. On the left-hand side, locate the tab labeled Elements. Go ahead and click on that. The Elements panel shows lots of different options like shapes, graphics, and more. Within this panel, look for the section related to audio. Once you find the audio category, click it to expand the audio tools. At the top of this audio area, you'll see a section specifically for voiceovers. Here, you should see an option that says something like Record Voiceover. Click that. As soon as you do, Canva will bring up the voice recording interface, and you'll notice a record button appear at the bottom center of your screen. Before you start recording, move the playhead on your timeline to the exact point in your project where you want the voiceover to begin. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in the design or video. Drag it to the right spot so your audio lines up correctly with your visuals. When you're ready, click the record button. Canva will give you a 3-second countdown so you can take a breath and prepare. After the countdown, start speaking clearly and at a steady pace. If you need a moment to think or reposition something, you can pause the recording and then resume when you're ready. Once you've finished saying everything you want for that section, click the Finish button. Canva will process your recording and place it on the audio track in your timeline, usually shown as a purple bar. To review it, move the playhead back to the start of that purple audio track and press play. Listen carefully to make sure the timing and sound are how you want them. If you're happy with the recording, click Finish again, and Canva will automatically attach the voiceover to your design. That's all there is to it. You've successfully recorded and added a voiceover in Canva, ready to export or share with your audience.